Hello everyone! I'm talking to those of you who want to start freediving and want to understand what is it about and what benefits would you get after learning this skill. Here at Bali Freedivers Amed, we are offering two types of courses for complete beginners. First of all, you can try one-day Try Freediving experience, which is fun and easy. And that's a way for you to understand, is this freediving is actually for you or not? You will learn one of the most important skills of freediving to explore the ocean, diving down without any supporting equipment. And once you manage to do that, you would face turtles, fishes, corals, as if you are sitting with them in one room. This would be a real taste of freediving, a real taste of ocean explorer. Freediving is all about mental work, so we include relaxation techniques as a part of skills we learn through level 1 course. We also have an ice bath in the school, so one more chance for you to practice equanimity. Going through difficulties like breath hold or sitting in the cold water trains your mind not to react to discomfort, not to react to stress, and be more equanimous. A great thing about level 1 2-day course is that after passing it, you can get an international certification of freediver. This certification would help you to continue your freediving education, but also apply for such jobs as safeguard, marine conservationist, or other which require this certification. So if you are planning your trip to Bali or you want to come to Amed, don't miss a chance. Step by our office, have a chat. We would answer all your questions about freediving courses we offer. You can also text us in messengers. The thing that makes us happy is when we see people introduced to freediving. When they discover a beauty, a joy, a magic of this activity and their lives get happier, their health is improving, we are really feeling purpose is fulfilled. So welcome to Amed and see you underwater.